Hi, I'm Liz Kelch, and today I'll be creating a beautifully contoured, flawless base in 4 easy steps. I want to create a beautiful glowing skin, so I'm using Skin Luminizer Foundation. Pick a foundation shade that's close to your natural skin colour and apply to skin with a foundation brush, starting in the centre of the face and blending out towards the hairline. Next, I'm going to apply an eye luminizer just underneath Remy's eyes. This will really help open up and brighten up her complexion. Pat with fingers to blend further. Now, I really want to sculpt and define Remy's cheekbones, so I'm using my bronzer and a contour brush. Suck in your cheekbones to reveal your natural contours, and then apply with your contour brush and blend out. Now, I really want to give Remy a nice sun-kissed glow, so by simply swapping my contour brush for my bronzer brush and apply the bronzer to the perimeter of the face, around the hairline, and blending and just adding a little touch onto the tip of the nose. This looks all about beautiful glowing skin, so I'm choosing a cream blusher. I'm going for a Miracle Touch in soft pink. Apply with your finger to the apples of the cheeks, and then blend out with your blusher brush. Okay, now the perfect complement for our beautiful sculpted cheekbones is a little highlighter. So I'm using Masterpiece Colour Precision in Cool Beige. I like to apply just along the top of the cheekbones and down the bridge of the nose. And just apply a little pop to the inner corner of the eye. And that's how we create the perfect base. Beautiful luminized skin, a nice healthy glow, and a flush of blush to the cheeks. Complement this feature look or try something new. Check out the other tutorials.